half, maybe. Wow. Just gave it a 10. Hold on.
Real meals, real smiles. Kid Cuisine. Anywhere, it's a breath of fresh air. And mind A and B. Get your fix of freshness with Febreze. Anytime, anywhere, it's a breath of fresh air. We saw more dust in a day than most cars see in a year. The Drive Around the World expedition, 41,000 miles on just one oil change. We had Mobil 1 products in the engines, the transmissions, and the gears. In laboratory tests, Mobil 1 Supersyn anti-wear technology provided excellent protection of critical engine parts even after 210,000 miles. But the real test is in the real world. Given everything wasn't protected by Mobil 1. Every day, workers across America cover our good name with dirt, dust, paint, oil, grease, and mud. And you know what? We're fine with that. Dickies, a legend in work. Hi, Josh. You got things on. Get your gloves. You're getting on your bull. We're going to go to every single thing up to the point where you nod your head. We're just not going to open the gate. Alright, right there. You stay right there. That's where you always keep a hand up there. You felt that just him putting his head down. You felt that. This is for real. Alright, now it's time to put your hand in there. Give him some slack. Keep the car just a little bit to the right, Josh. Yeah, just check that. See what that feels like. A little more. A little more. There we go. There we go. You're okay. Keep hold of the top of this gate, Josh. There you go. That's your position right there. Now, next thing you do is nod that gate on. Baldwin, you're up next. Now drop down your knees. Keep hold of both rails. That's what we're talking about right there. So you handled that just right. Everything went just right there. You're doing what you said. Now drop your knees back down. You're trapped up there. You push you. If that thing starts bucking, you fall off in there. You can just pound you, kill you right there, you know? I never thought about all that. Johnny, you get up there and get over that collar, and I mean, just think it's for real. Do it all the way up there, as close to that hand as you can get. There you go. Now drop your legs down. All right, let's go to the next one. Good job. All right, you got more team. Get up there and nod your head. Now you got to do is nod. Go. Put that leg down there. That's how you be your position. Legs all the way down, toes out. That's your position. Now what's next? Go like that. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Lickety split. Johnny Fair play. Shake the brush, Johnny. Yeah. All right.